Starting from 8th standard. Today my topic is about atmospheric pressure. First, discovery of atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure was discovered by Evangelista Torricelli in 1643 through his invention of gauge barometer. He created an experiment by filling a glass tube with mercury, inverted it into a dish of mercury, and observed that the mercury did not completely dry out. Torricelli realized that the weight of mercury was balanced by the atmospheric pressure pushing down the mercury in the dish, proving air had pressure and weight. Next, atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is a force exerted by the weight of air above a certain point. At higher altitude, there is a smaller column of air above you, so the less weight and therefore less pressure. Density of air. The Earth's gravity pulls the air molecule closer to the Earth's surface, making it air denser at higher altitude, lower altitude. As the altitude increases, air thins out become less denser because there are fewer gas molecules in given volume. This decrease in density is not linear, it decreases more rapidly at lower altitude and more slowly at higher ones. Atmospheric pressure exerts a force equivalent to 18,000 to 20,000 kilograms or 40,000 to 44,000 pounds on average human body or 175,000 newtons. This immense force is not felt. This is balanced by the internal force of our body. Next is applications of atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is used for breathing and enabling everyday activities like using a vacuum cleaner, drinking through a straw, and having a stable body shape due to act of atmospheric pressure on our body. This also has applications in transportation like tires and aircrafts, weather forecasting, and varieties of tools like syringe, suction cups, and barometers. Maintaining our body shape. The constant pressure on our body helps us to maintain our body shape. Atmospheric pressure is also used in varieties of devices like pressure cooker and barometer which measure pressure and cooking purpose also. Next, we will see what happens if atmospheric disappears from the earth. If atmospheric pressure disappears from the earth, all life would instantly die, and body fluids would boil, lungs would rupture, and there would be no oxygen to breathe. Earth would become silent, extreme temperature with black sky, no weather, and all the water bodies would boil and then freeze. Effect on life. No oxygen. You would lose consciousness within seconds and die within minutes because there would be no oxygen to breathe. Ruptured lungs. Lungs would rupture. Holding your breath would cause your lungs to rupture, and internal pressure would cause your blood to leak from holes like nose and ears. Outside ears. Extreme temperature swings. Without the atmosphere insulating effect, temperature would permanently deadly low at night and become scorching hot at day, much like moon. Next, lethal radiation. The atmosphere protects against solar radiation. Without it, the sun's harmful rays directly hit on the Earth's surface, making it lethal effect on the planet. Complete silence. Sound travels through air, so there would be no sound at all. Everything would be complete silent. A black sky. The sky would become pitch black because there would be no air particles to scatter the light. Next is no weather. Its clouds, winds, storms, and etc. all would vanish instantly because they all depend on the atmosphere. Boiling and freezing of water. The boiling point of water would drop dramatically, causing Earth's lakes, rivers, and oceans to boil and evaporate into space. What water remains would eventually freeze. Structural collapse. Building bridges and other structures are built to withstand external air pressure. Without it, many would likely to implode from the internal pressure trapped inside them. Conclusion. Without atmospheric pressure plays an important role in our life. Without it, no life would have survived on this earth. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.